Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Tutorials College. Today we are going to install VS Code on our Mac operating system. I don't think that VS Code needs any introduction. It is by far one of the best code editors available today with lots of features, being lightweight, provides all the toolings that you need to develop and monitor your applications and optimize your applications. So I don't think I need to go into that much of the details. To download and install this application, we need to open up our browser and we be searching VS Code. Our download has finished, and upon extracting the zip archive, we can see that we have got the application that we need, but it is not yet installed, so we need it to be moved to the applications folder. So we'll open the applications folder in the Finder window. And this is it. Now we can see that the VS Code is available here. Thank you so much for watching our video, and please like and share our videos, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that we can keep doing this stuff that we love, and I hope that you guys also. Thank you so much once again.